Hi, Jack. How are you today?
Hi, Sarah. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm great too, thanks. Let's talk about family and relatives. Who are the people in your family?
In my family, I have a father, a mother, a brother, and a sister. My father is a kind man, and my mother is a loving woman.
That's nice, Jack. In my family, I have a father, a mother, and two sisters. We all love each other very much.
That's wonderful, Sarah. Do you have any grandparents?
Yes, I have both a grandfather and a grandmother. They are my father's parents. I also have great-grandparents, but they are very old.
That's amazing, Sarah. I only have one grandmother. She's my mother's mother. Do you have any nephews or nieces?
Not yet, Jack. I'm too young to have nephews or nieces. But I have a cousin who is like a sister to me.
That's nice, Sarah. I have a nephew and a niece. They are my brother's children. They are very cute.
How about aunts and uncles, Jack?
Yes, I have both an uncle and an aunt. They are my mother's brother and sister. I love spending time with them.
That's lovely, Jack. Family gatherings must be fun. Do you have any stepbrothers or stepsisters?
No, Sarah. I only have a brother and a sister from my parents. No stepbrothers or stepsisters.
I see. How about cousins? Do you have any?
Yes, I have many cousins. They are the children of my aunts and uncles. We have a great time when we all get together.
That sounds like a lot of fun, Jack. Let's talk about husbands and wives. Do you know what they mean?
Yes, Sarah. Husbands and wives are two people who are married to each other.
That's right, Jack. And do you know what a mother-in-law and a father-in-law are?
Yes, Sarah. A mother-in-law is the mother of my wife, and a father-in-law is the father of my wife.
Perfect. Let's talk about sibling spouses. Do you know what a brother's wife is called?
Yes, Sarah. A brother's wife is called a sister-in-law.
Excellent. And what about a sister's husband?
Excellent. And what about a sister's husband?
You're doing great, Jack. Now, let's learn some more words. Do you know what a firstborn is?
Yes, Sarah. A firstborn is the first child born in a family.
That's correct, Jack. Now, do you know what a widow is?
Yes, Sarah. A widow is a woman whose husband has passed away.
Very good, Jack. And what about a widower?
A widower is a man whose wife has passed away.
Exactly, Jack. Now, do you know what an orphan is?
Yes, Sarah. An orphan is a child whose parents have passed away.
That's right. And what does minor mean?
A minor is a person who is under the age of 18 and not yet considered an adult.
Great job, Jack. Finally, do you know what an heir and an heiress are?
Yes, Sarah. An heir is a person who inherits something, like money or property, from someone who has passed away. And an heiress is a female heir.
Sarah, perfect, Jack. You've learned so many words about family and relatives. Well done.
Thank you, Sarah. It was fun learning with you.
You're welcome, Jack. Keep practicing, and you'll become even better at English. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, Sarah. See you next time.